A skim coat is a thin layer of drywall that gives walls a glass-smooth finish. And the great thing about it is it can give an outdated wall texture a new canvas, without having to tear out all the existing walls. Despite painting walls is the most popular DIY project to do at home, when a professional does it there's really a quality difference, and they can do it quicker, since they know the pressure and speed needed from experience. Pool liners are a good way to save money on ceramic tile, and last an average of 7 years, as long as it's not punctured, and it's mesmerizing to watch the workers lining them up.